Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy, this is physics. This quote by Albert Einstein is at the heart of everything that is done in Master Your Thoughts Bootcamp, and since it powerfully encapsulates the manifestation process, it is a great starting point to discuss the law of attraction. Let's look at it closer. Everything is energy. You, me, the things around us, including air. Everything is made of energy because everything is made of atoms. Let's now look at another part of Einstein's quote. Match the frequency of the reality you want. The term frequency sounds very technical, but it is simply what we are feeling. Check out the emotional frequency chart. It details the broad categories of emotions of the human experience. As you can see from the chart, a thought has a frequency. Positive emotions are at a high frequency, and negative emotions are on a lower frequency. The validity of this chart is now confirmed by science because the frequency of a thought and the corresponding emotion can be seen on a brain scan. Let's consider the universal law of attraction and how it fits into the equation. Everything is atoms, everything is energy, and everything is then vibrating. Because a thought has a frequency, as proven now by science, we are all vibrating at the level of thought. Since like attracts, like we are not only vibrating at the level of thought, we are attracting things in our lives based on what we are thinking and feeling. Whether we are thinking positive thoughts or negative thoughts, we are always attracting things into our life at the level of what we are thinking. The great part about this is, since we are able to choose our thoughts, we can choose to create positive or negative conditions in our lives. Keep reading to learn about how Master Your Thoughts Bootcamp can help you apply the law of attraction to your life so that you can manifest the things that you desire to have.